Ojo live, Olo. Yeah. The biggest 7 say hey, join. It starts 6:40, 6:45, you know. On time on it. Child, hey, bomb your hair. Hey, bomb your hair. Hey, bomb your hair. Hi, somebody said hello. Hey, hey. Oh my goodness. Scam per the day and put one in the comments if you can see if you can hear my voice. Put one in the comments. Today I posted I'll go live 7 p.m. but I'm going live 6:47, 6:40. Does it look like I care? No, I don't. All I all I care about is I want to give important updates. All I care about is I want to give important. Second birthday got a meeting, but you are here. Um, it has to happen. So let's enjoy the update. Some people will miss out on a lot of things that crypto wise. They'll miss out on a lot of things because of certain mistakes that they make. And the bull run will come behind them. It's like the 10 virgins. 5 were foolish, very foolish, even though they were virgins. And then 5 was very intelligent. So you see, despite the fact that you are a virgin, that is not enough. Being a virgin is not enough. That's what I want to say. Because there's a big lesson to learn from that parable. Being a virgin alone is not enough. But becoming an intelligent virgin is what matters. So thank you, Lord Jesus. So we are all waiting. We are all waiting for a particular coin to pump, to go up. We are waiting. But it matters how you wait. So the 10 virgins were waiting for the bride and the bridegroom, right, to come so they could have the ceremony, right? And the 5 virgins didn't prepare. They didn't prepare. They just came in there. They just came in there to sit and watch, observe, right? Whilst the other 5 virgins were intelligent enough to prepare. Top Up Show. You are welcome, my boss. Welcome here, Top Up Show. David Miles says, and congratulations to you, boss. What have I done? Explain your congratulations. explain your explain your congratulations to the congregation. All right, thank you, bro. Thank you, David Miles. Good evening to everyone here. Yeah. So you have to be very intelligent whilst you are waiting. You don't just wait. Honestly, you don't just sit there and say, "Oh, I'm waiting." You have to be very intentional. So the 5 virgins were very intentional. And once they were waiting, they weren't complaining because they know their preparation is up to. Do you know people who complain? People who complain a lot are people who are not prepared. They start complaining. They just start talking anyhow. So all of these things that I'm taking you through will not make any sense at the long run if you are not prepared to take this thing very serious. If you are not prepared to pay attention to instruction, if you are not prepared to invest the right way, if you wouldn't prepare yourself to undo the mindset of get rich quick scheme, turning the $10,000 to $100,000, in a day kind of mindset. Even though that is very realistic. $10,000 to $100,000 in a day is very realistic. By matters, the kind of intelligence, preparation that you have. What matters is the preparation. Because the other five virgins could have seen the bridegroom and the bride, or the groom and the bride, but they weren't prepared. So the Bible said they were foolish virgins. A virgin who is foolish. Can you imagine? A virgin who is foolish. Then there's another virgin who is very intelligent. So please let us all here today be intelligent virgins. Let me show you something. One of my students, let me see if I can show you something. You see, the top 10 traders, today we are closing docs on the top 10, the second batch, the group B. We are closing down that within the next 24 hours. I'll show them what to do, how we'll be meeting and everything. We are done. But the top 10 traders, some of them in the group A, one of them have shared something in our group, and my mind just burst because literally when I was teaching them, I didn't make mention of certain things. I just gave some details, and this guy was able to do this thing. He just shared an image. Let me show you. Let me go to my WhatsApp here. Where's my WhatsApp? Guys, see this. Let's see this. Let's see this. Like my screen brightness is down. Let me. It's up now. It's good now. Can you see this? Is the top 10, the group A. Okay. He doesn't even know that I'm going to even talk about this. The person who posted that, I don't even know the person, right? I know them by faces, but by names, I don't know. You know what? He bought gold. This is a demo account, so don't be thinking too much. This is just a demo. But I want to teach you guys something here. He bought gold, SAUUSD. He bought with a 20 lot size. SAUAUD. He bought that one too. I don't know what motivated him to do that, right? Even though just buying SAUUSD is enough, right? But my point is, when he bought SAUUSD, he bought, SAUUSD as well, and ZAG USD. That's where my point is. ZAG USD, that's silver. He bought that as well. He bought that as well, and you see, you can't buy SAUUSD and sell ZAG USD. No, that is an error because these two pairs are positively correlated. They are positively correlated. You can't be buying this one and selling that one. You find yourself in a hot soup. That is if you are holding the trade for a very long time. You find yourself in a hot soup. So the fact that this guy understood by coming to the class, the top 10 traders, by coming to the class, he understood that when you buy gold, you buy silver. My mind is blown. Honestly, if I see that guy, I have to gift him something. My mind is blown. My mind is, my goodness. This is trading. This means you know what you are doing. You see, this means you know what you are. Forget about the figures. This is just virtual money. This is not real money. But he is practicing. And in the middle of the practice, he's doing everything right. That's what I'm much interested in. And even with the lot size he was using, I don't have any problem with it. You know, the lot size was big. The first one, which is the 20 lots one, it was big, but I don't have any problem with that because the account size is $100,000, dollars. Okay, so it was a big account size, and it's an okay account size. Even though the 20 lots was high risk, but I'll still give it to him that he's done perfectly well. And you can only get these in the top 10. It's not even a cap. And you can only get these things if you want to invest in crypto very well. You have to even join the top 10. And they will testify. If you want to learn crypto very well, if you want to invest very well, I mean to say, or invest in anything and know things, understand certain things, go and ask them. You need to be in the top 10. That top 10 thing. It will change everything. Now let's go to today's main agenda. The first agenda for today, I listed certain coins that we'll be talking about. The market capital in general has increased 4.85% in the last 24 hours. Landing us at a general market cap of $2.31 trillion. Very beautiful. And the liquidity that was pumped into the crypto market in the last 24 hours is $1.93 billion, almost $2 billion. And that has been almost 1,000. This is 908.51% increment in the past 24 hours. This is speaking, positive for the market. And we have seen that in some coins. The first coin I will talk about is Bitcoin. So let me click on Bitcoin. See what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin literally changed the narrative from a potential downward move that I was even anticipating myself to an upward move, which is a change in character. It has changed its character so far, so quick. To be honest with you, I wasn't even expecting that. Because of the structure I was seeing in the higher time frame, I wasn't expecting to see this on Bitcoin. And the consolidation was too much. But just know, there is one thing. We are still in a down market. We are still in a bear market. We are still not in any bull run of any sort. The market is still suffocating. The market is still tired. The market is still in a downtrend. The market is still freaking bleeding. But just that, we have seen some good pump in these past hours. In these past hours. And the only thing that will be a game changer, in this particular, conversation is when we break above the 80,000 structure. If we break above the 80,000 structure, if we break above the 80,000 structure here, I mean to say this area, let me position well. If we break above the 80,000 structure, okay, and retest it very well. If we do this, if we go above this, we go above, definitely when it breaks above the 80,000, it will rush very fast. Now, mind you, coming to 80,000 is different from breaking above 80,000. Some of you guys who don't understand these things, don't mistake me, because you need to pay attention to my details. When it comes to 80,000, that is not enough. I say when it breaks above 80,000, that is what matters. So when it breaks above 80,000, it can go to 100K whatsoever, but it has to come back. It can go to 90K, most especially, or 85,000 whatsoever. It has to come back down a bit to breathe out and then continue breathing in. That's the only way my conversation will change from we are not yet in a bull run to we are in the bull run now. You understand me? Unless these things happen. For this particular week, we have had a very good bullish impression, which is very positive for those of us who have invested in Bitcoin. But the truth of the matter is that is still not enough. Unless the bullish momentum that we see right now, it continues. Somebody says, Lord, open our heavens. The Lord will surely open your heaven. The Lord will surely open your heaven. Now Bitcoin is at 68,406. 68,406. But you see, this thing is not done. Okay? This thing is not done yet because it is very dangerous. It's still in a dangerous zone, right? Because if Bitcoin has to rise up to 80,000, okay, and then decides to change the character and continue the downward trend, it's still even going to crash the more to even below 50,000. So let me rest my hands small. I've given you a total of two trajectory. One of my students in the top 10 says is a lady, a very beautiful lady, a married woman, of course. So you people don't get bad mind. She gave me lift, in the past weekend before I got my car. Right? Those of you who know I've gotten a car. Yeah. She said trajectory means pathway. I told her I was just using the word anyhow. So what's the meaning? She said trajectory means pathway. So I've given you a total of two pathways. This happens and continues like this, we are inside the bull run. But if this happens and that happens here, back to the bearish move, which is the bleeding zone, the crying area. Somebody is asking a very good question. He says, what's the second resistance level above the current one? And that should be 97K. 97K, 98K. All right. That should be 97 with this area. This area. But you know one thing, if the market really breaks above the 80K and goes to this area, there's no shake here. There's no too much. We shouldn't worry when it comes to that. Oh, that's also another major resistance, so it can hold and the market will drop that can happen. But the chances when I rank them in percentage, that's like 30% chance of happening. But if it comes here to the 80K and rejects this area, the chance of it tanking to 40K is 80%. Yeah. I've been very realistic on this case. Now, it's not Bitcoin alone that we'll be talking about, so I'm moving to the next thing. Up to the next thing. XRP is next on my list. And please, those of you who have been asking me, should I invest in SRP? Should I invest now? Please, SRP is $1 for Christ's sake. Sometimes some of the conversations we shouldn't be having them because you see, XLS went as high as let me put it in a 1 week, it went as high as what? How much? It went as high as $3.83, and now the price is $1.06. What's your conversation now? What do you? Who did then worry? Then those of you who have been in my DM worrying me, should I buy SLS now or something like that? Oh, maybe question now maybe I will say, who did then worry? Who did then worry? You see? So, guys, can you hear me? Is my sound okay? Yeah, people are saying very okay. All right. So it's now 7 p.m. 7 p.m. 7:04. So the people who thought the class will come off 7 will start joining. We are way ahead of them. So XRP, to me, if you compare a product that the price has gone up to $3.8, and now that same product, the price is $1. Is it not affordable enough? That's my question. And I'm not even saying that the price is going to collapse. I'm not even saying that the price wouldn't collapse further. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm just saying that, look, even if you buy it at $1 and it later goes to, 80 cents or 90 cents, you still had a good price as compared to 3.83 or 3.9. You still had a good price. You still had a very good price. So that is it on SRP. Let me use the Fibonacci on SRP and see what happens. From point A to point B. We have tagged the 78.6 area. Please, SRP is in a very good buy zone. You can buy it now if you want to, right? That is if you want to. And you're shit. But if you want to. So the professionals will say it's not financial advice, but if you want to, if you want to, yeah. Now let's go to a coin like XLM. That's the current price of XLM. It's typically doing the same thing that this other guy is doing. But we've had a pump on XLM, not really a pump, but like a bullish presence on XLM some months back, but that I see that happening again. And this time around, if it happens, it will take some time and build up and go even way further. Yeah. And it's still in a buy zone. So don't forget about that. XLM is still in a buy zone. Let's go to guys, prepare your question. I'll be taking questions. Let's go to pump. Don't sell pump. Guys, let me pick my Wi-Fi. We'll talk about WKC, don't worry. Don't sell pump. That's a warning. I don't know. I have to position my internet well. Don't sell pump. Chodanison is just telling you don't sell it. Okay, if you have pump, don't sell it until I start telling you sell it. Please, watch me. I beg you. I just beg you. Don't sell pump, okay? Don't move pump to another coin. Don't do that. I beg you. With all humility, don't do it. Because you see, the reason why I'm begging you is that sometimes some mistakes that we make can put us back, it will just put us back. We have waited all these while. Those of us who are in pump the position, and I've called out this coin many months ago, many months ago, and it hasn't done even anything yet. To be honest with you, you can even buy it here. Okay, yes, you can. I mean it. You can even start buying it here. I have, spoken about. Prophet Bernard has spoken about a wicked card. We'll go there. I've mentioned it. I've talked about it many times. Somebody says SRP will still come down to 70 cents. Well, that's your, how do you call it? That's your analysis, and I respect it, right? SRP, I mean, we are not in a bull market yet, so anything you say it's likely to happen, though. So, I mean, Top Up Show say we believe you, bro. Top Up, Charlie, I salute you. Top Up Show on TikTok. Go look him up. So please, pump. Let me see what pump can do. Pump should be able to give us like a 0.05 something. But me, I want pump to go to $1. This time around, it's personal. I want pump to go to $1. Me, Kwabda, Nicholas, there, you see, I want pump to go to $1. OTRC, fine. OTRC, so fine. So that is pump for you. In the last 24 hours, let's look at this. In the past 24 hours, or within the last 24 hours, the volume has increased. The volume has increased to 111%, which is very beautiful. It means more money is being injected. Top Up Show, more money. And MFI, are you guys here? Is MFI here? Just anybody can do that. Somebody's asking me, when will I sell my wiki cards? And when that time comes, I'll have conversation. But now I don't know if I say anything now, I'll be lying. Right? So this is pump. Let's keep holding until I say, because it hasn't done anything. This is nothing. Let's wait. Okay. Guys, I'll put my number in there. Top Up Show. Be active. 0245051982. Madam. Hello. Charlie, no my phone no. 0245051982. Now let's continue because I don't want to be interfering with normal and things. When it gets there, then I talk about those things. I want to focus here. Now, because somebody says he wants my WhatsApp number. Boss, they will give it to you. And Charles Anoche. He is also, a subscriber. So my subscribers, I don't play with them. Yeah. Those of you who have not subscribed, you are enjoying more than them. All right, let's go. So this is pump. I won't say much on pump. It looks like people want me to talk about wiki card as well. So let's jump to wiki card first, and then we talk about something else. Wiki cat, or some people are saying is wicked cat. A cat, a cat that is wicked. Cat that is wicked. Wicked cat. Igbo will not laugh. Igbo will not laugh. Somebody is saying Sharon Gordon Smith. What is the best broker for US? You people in the USA and these broker issues. Just use any regulated broker that you think. I think they gave me one of the guys in my top 10 forex guys who is also in the US talked about one broker. I forgot to unless I look it up for you. Guys, look at what Wikicat is doing, you know. And I just pray that this coin, you see, this coin is solid. What I'm seeing here is super, super, super solid. It's super, super solid. Somebody says crypto went up today because Trump is having a meeting with. Well, that's a factor. That's a factor, but you should also know that gold is going up crazily too. So what about that? That's a factor, though. Now, can you see this? This is to me all my experience that I've gathered on trading. This setup, we call it setup. It's like a trap. Setup. This setup is a beautiful setup. But you see, one thing that people are looking out to, which is causing the rejection that you are seeing on this current candle that is building up, is because we are currently at a resistance area. Can you see that? This is a resistance area. Some of the things I will not go deep. It's people who are in the top 10 and some of the master classes who will understand this. So I will not go deeper. Those who know. If you don't know, it means you need to enroll. Now, nice trajectory. Nice, beautiful one. And with this thing that I'm seeing, if this current candle here, it closes bullish, and the way it closes, if it closes above this particular resistance area like this, go and kill goat. Go and kill goat and do live soup. If it does this, go and kill goat and do live soup. And those of you who are there, make sure that the meat is very plenty. Okay. Now, when something like this happens, it is very positive for wiki cards. It's very positive for wiki. If something like that happens, it's very positive for wiki cards. I'm like, no, Maonelo. Oh my God, from the group, he has to go to the live chat. It doesn't have to go to comments. It has to be in live chat so that I can pin it for everybody who wants to reach out. Because I can't be talking and then be coming back to normal and normal. Guys, please, you see, what I'm seeing on Wikicat, if it stands, Wikicat is supposed to do 3 times what he has done in the past. The bull run that the people have enjoyed in the past on Wikicat, now that bull run, it has to be 3 times of that if what I'm seeing stands. The ICRA, or I don't know the name, he says he has 800 million plus WKC token. Yes. Oh my goodness. Sometimes, please, my beloved ladies and gentlemen, watch and listen to this. Sometimes you just need to be positioned on the right coins. Okay. Sometimes don't be interested in just any coin, just the right coins, and be positioned there. And that's something that I've learned and mastered over the time. Positioning myself on the important coins. Simon McCarthy, thank you for putting my number there. So, guys, those of you who want the number, it is pinned in the chat, live chat. The number is pinned. So pick the number, WhatsApp me. Top 10. Say I want to join the top 10. WhatsApp me. I want Trader Nixon. I want to join the top 10. I want to change my life. I want to make money with you guys. You see the evidence that I'm showing you, it will change their life. There's no cap in this. So please, if Wikicat, this structure continues like this, bookmark this post, download it and save it somewhere. It will be like a dream, because this coin is about to skyrocket and go too crazy. And just 1 minute off that screen. If you have studied, you will see that the coins that Prophet El Bernard talked about, some of them are really doing massive. And you see, the problem that I have with you, some of the people, is that you don't talk about it. You don't tell people. You don't put it in comment post. But when the bad happens, then you let it slide, and everybody, people will start talking nonsense. Please be a good disciple. If you love these prophets for what they do, be a very good disciple. Whether Paul, Apollos, me, I don't really belong to one person. Never. I belong to the kingdom of God. And so everybody who is doing a good job, I'm affiliated. Even if you never seen that person's video on my channel, I'm affiliated with that person. Yes, I'm affiliated with any pastor who is doing right. I'm affiliated with them. Yes. So please testify. That is why testimony is very important. Testimony is good, so that your blessing will remain. Okay, so that your blessing will remain. We are Christians and we are intelligent as well. We are not just Christians that are not intelligent. Me, I want to be a Christian who is intelligent, and that's why we are doing all of these things. We are Christians and we are intelligent. We are Christians and we are intelligent. Wikicat to the moon. Wikicat to the moon. You can even tag Prophet Bernard El Bernard. Tag him. Put his picture on it. Do a TikTok video. Post it. Yes. We are tired of the people backlashing and doing all of those things when things go wrong sometimes. Now let's go to, this is Wikicat. Enough of the conversation here. Now I want us to go to, so I just told you how much I wanted Wikicat to do. It has to do more than 3 times what it has done in the previous bull run. Wikicat has to burn a lot of zeros. I can't say how many, but a lot of them. It can be 3 zeros. It can be 4 zeros. It can be, if you don't see Wikicat breaking more than 3 zeros or 4 zeros, it's not Wikicat, because the build-up is solid. So keep holding your Wikicat until I come and say, oh, this time they're close, take your money, keep holding them. Now let's go to the next. Oh, let me show you my screen. Let's go to the next, conversation. What's next? Guys, put your coins that you want. The coins that you want us to talk about, you can put it in there. Somebody is saying weak out to 0.08008. That is not far-fetched. Crepe, let's look at Crepe. You see, guys, I want to be honest with you. And guys, whenever I switch the camera to my face, it looks like people are running from the live. Many men, you know. Yeah, XLM. Good. I'll talk about XLM, but I've talked about it maybe already. H bar. All right, we'll talk about all of these coins. Just give me a minute. You know one thing? I'm disappointed in Crepe, but I'm still holding it. I'm disappointed in Crepe, but I'm still holding it. I'm disappointed in the structure that is creating, but it's still a solid coin, and I'm holding it. I think I have a lot of, in dollar value, I have a lot of Crepe than, Wikicat. Yes. No, than Xpin. And I believe even Wikicat. But the structure it keeps creating, I don't like it. Now, when you look at Crepe, you would see that it is not going too much down, just this recent time, but rather it has been consolidating for too long, and it is not showing any sign of it going up. Okay, or if you compare it to like a coin like Wikika, it's different trajectories. You understand me? It's different trajectory. So me, I would like Crepe to put on a good fight when it comes to its structure. And when the structure, I would like to see things like this green candle pumping up, building up like this. I want to see more here. Then I will be, you know me. You see, I believe that people have had bad experience with these crypto and investment things, and I think that I've come at the right time to do the dirty work that we've seen a lot of people who are doing this same thing that I'm doing. They are richer than me. They have more cars than I have. I just bought my first car. Is what Civic is not any proper car. They have more fame than I have, but I believe they are not doing the job I am doing. And I'm the person who have put it upon myself to do this job because I feel like most people have been misinformed, misled, scammed about these investment stuff, and they have not had any proper education. And now the whole Ghana is can't even wait for me now because I'll have to change all of those narratives and those things, and I have to make sure people make money and everybody to be evidence to everybody to see that no, this is not a joke. That is my calling in this thing when it comes to Ghana. You understand me? It's not just about me making money and buying every good thing that I want to buy. You understand me? It's about everybody who is really willing to learn and change their ways from this kind of operation. Now we see. So let's expect more structure from Crip, and I'll be happy. But anything apart from that, I don't know. Somebody say we should check Ace. It's good I started a live early because I want to go out with my family. It's very important. A short outing, and then we come back real quick. So that's why I started a live very very early, even though I said 7 p.m. Now, guys, let's look at the top. From the top, this coin has gone outside as even almost 14 something dollars. You can see it here. It has gone as high as 14 something. That's Ace. That's Ace, and it keeps just coming down crazily. And then at a point, I think at a point in 2024 November, it started going up again, and it couldn't go up further, and started coming down, and it has stayed for a very long time. To me, if this coin has a good project, if it has a good project, it will rise again. Because um the market capital is 21 million now. The volume is 190 million, which is off. The volume and the market cap to me is off. Sorry. To me, the volume and the market cap on this coin is off. I don't like it. I just notice it. I don't like that. I don't love to see things like that. Everything has to be very, very, good. You can get it on Binance blockchain. You can copy the address at the contract section. And currently the price is 19 cents. This coin can do crazy because now it's very affordable as compared to the $14 that it went to. Is so affordable, very very affordable. And you could see that the sellers are tired. You could see that the sellers are tired. The sellers are tired. So all we are expecting is for the bullish momentum volume to be coming in so crazy. Somebody who is a gifter says I should check Crystal Stone. Boss, is it a crypto? Because I'm not familiar with that. Crystal Stone. But guys, in as much as I'm checking for everybody, it doesn't mean that I'm saying you should go and invest in those coins. So please, unless it's one that I'm saying go and invest. But if I'm not saying go invest, don't go. I have to pay attention to me. Okay, Crystal Stone. I think there's an issue with the market cap. So he says coin market cap has not verified the project. However, according to the project itself, its self-reported circulating supply is this. So the coin is currently doing massive. It has 87,000 volume 202%. You know, the coin, this coin is supposed to be new. Yeah, this coin is new. It's not too new. It's been here for weeks. But see, a very big move is happening on it right now. And guys, please don't go and jump in. Okay? My family. My family. Don't go and jump in this coin, okay? Okay, please, I beg you. Don't go and jump in it, okay? Because it has really done a massive push. So maybe it will correlate, it will, retrace a bit or correct itself a bit. Don't jump in it. When we come live again and I check it and it's okay, then we can go for it. But now, those of you who have already entered in time pass, you can keep enjoying, and it's good. I thank God and I love the fact that you guys are enjoying your money. It's on BNB. The contract address is there, but you have to be careful on the coin. Okay, so let's go to which coin again? I think some people asked me to check some coins. Let me scroll a bit and check it out. OBC Paramount Chief. IOTA. No, IOTA is not doing anything. Lang. I've looked at Lang many times. Xpin. Yeah, I think I have to check Xpin. Let me check Xpin and come back to our normal stuff. Let me check Xpin. I'll come back to you people who want. Xpin 2, on the other hand, let me see if the structure has failed. The structure is failing. And I thank God that you guys have been with me on this live. And so when I tell you structure is not looking good, you now know. Look at what Xpin is doing. It's too bad. It's too bad. Xpin has been here. Recent time. Xpin has just been here. Now look at it here. Very, very bad. You see? If you start becoming hot, continue becoming hotter. That's what we mean by a coin is pumping or a coin is bullish or we are in a bull run on a particular coin whatsoever. But when you become hot for a while and start getting immediately colder to even a frozen point or a freezing point, that is not interesting at all. It's not fascinating at all. Crowd. And yet, yes, Anna, in the voice of Gatabwa. Some people will be laughing in their room. Hi. Top up. Top up, Charlie. We have to do a joint live, but maybe we have to find a topic that we'll be talking about, or maybe something like that. We'll do a joint live very soon. All right. Your friend says so. That is it on Xpin. Let me go to other coins, guys. Some people are saying check SVG, SDC. I think SDC is just here. Let's look at it. I'm not. We have had a bearish move on SDC, but I love the way it's slowing down here. All I'm expecting for a bullish, candle, a very massive one, and a continuation afterwards of more bullish candles printing out. Yeah, I need more bullish candles printing out. Yeah, more bullish candles printing out. That's it. That's beautiful. So I think SDC is still a solid coin for me. Don't get it twisted. SDC is still a solid coin. Don't get it twisted. Elvis Allen, God bless you, Jordan Nixon. God bless you too, Elvis. Thank you very much for joining. All right, somebody say Shiba. Why you people you have the lineage of Queen of Shiba? Eh? You people have the lineage of Queen of Shiba. Which of the Shibas? Or maybe make a check on for you. Let me check the Shiba from here. Is number what? Sometimes when you search something without pasting the address, I don't know. Top. Shiba is number what? Shiba. Where is Shiba? Shiba is on my what, guys? Yeah, yeah. Let me do the Shiba Inu, so I go see. I can see the whole thing, you know. Let me do the Shiba Inu so I can see the whole thing. All right, I have it now, guys. I have it now. Okay. Shiba is slow. Shiba hasn't been doing much, just like so many of the coins. To me, see, people have really enjoyed this coin. Oh. And you see, guys, should I educate you on something? If you're in Ghana and you find it difficult buying SDC, but use this platform, Mexi. Use this platform, Mexi Exchange, Mexi. If you find it difficult buying your SDC, you are in Ghana, use this platform, Mexi. I have it. I have it. Currently, I have a client Mexi on my, on my a client's SDC on my Mexi. Yeah. Me, I've not invested in SDC yet, but it's a solid coin. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, it's a solid coin. So you people can use Mexi to do that. I was going to educate you guys honestly about something. I was going to have an honest conversation with you guys. And please, nobody should leave, watch, and listen. You see, somebody says SDC is a solid project. Somebody is also saying you can get it on BitGet. So if you don't, you can get it on KuCoin. Yeah, they are suggesting. That's why we are a community. It's not about only one person. Shiba. Let me talk about Shiba. Let me talk about Shiba. Oh. Good. It was Shiba that I was talking about, and then I have to talk about Mexi, right? Good. So this is Shiba, and I was going to tell you something, and I want you to listen. Guys, I want you to listen. Those of you who are requesting Shiba, please, everybody, just everybody should listen. When it comes to meme coin, if they have done massive, four, done massive again, four, please be careful with them. You know why? Because meme coins are meme coins. You will hardly find them in the $1 and whatsoever. They are meme coins. So you have to be very careful. If the first pump, second pump comes in, and that is too serious is going on, with their projects, run away or invest only small money and be watching them. But if it's a coin, they have a solid project and a lot of people are rallying behind it, and you see what I mean to say, then you can be investing, and every time you can be, checking it out. So the meme coins, you have to be extra careful with them. You have to be extra careful with them. People see coins like this. So that's Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu. So guys, those of you who invested in Shiba Inu, I think we should expect, one more big bullish move on on Shiba when the bull run comes in. And one thing that I like about the coin is that the market capital is 2.6 billion, right? Almost 2.7 billion. That's fair. It talks about volume in that. The volume is 62 million in last 24 hours. So it's still a fair coin to buy and expect a bull run and the market's going crazy on it very soon. But like I advised you, be very cautious. Okay, be very cautious. Somebody is saying I should look into Kishuinu. I think Kishu is here. Kishuinu is here. So let's look at Kishuinu. And it's good somebody is mentioning Kishuinu because one of my students asked me that we look at Kishuinu some other time, like we buy some, but that guy, where he is, it's always hard for me to connect. Hey, what happened? Okay, this happened last month. You see some Crazy sharp move on Kishino. You see that big pin bar? We call it pin bar. Let me stop even saying all of those things. These are masterclass education stuff. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's wait for a bullish candle printout here. Then we can call it, you know. I mean, this coin is cheap, so you can buy maybe a $50, $100, and you will just be waiting. If something happens on it, you collect something. You can collect up to like $1,000 when something happens on it or something. Yeah, so you just buy and then don't put it in your too serious coins. Just like something you are playing with. You know, the contract address here is built on the Ethereum blockchain, so you can copy it and buy it. And guys, please, everybody should listen. No, nobody should move. Listen. You see, I think some people don't know my operation, so sometimes they make mistakes. When you are hitting me up, it should be about business. When you are contacting me, it has to be about something very serious. It has to be about business. And if you want me to help you buy crypto, do this, it's not for free. Visit my website, www.tradernixon.com. Visit there. You see a lot of services that are around there. My services are not for free. I can't help you for free. You understand me? I have to take money from you. I have to take money. There's one guy that I'm punishing even till now for the past weeks. Okay, that guy was going to enjoy masterclass services, which I made him pay even way too less. He even didn't even pay for advanced class. And I came on live with him like this, a one-on-one session like this, and I was helping him. I was very angry because he had somebody intercepting and trying to take the phone from me like they are joking. From that day, he WhatsApped me. Can we finish what we're doing? I never mind him. Because you cannot be so, you can't do that. So please, my services are not for free. They are paid. So when you contact me, ask me, how much is this one? How much is that one? I'll help you. I've helped a lot of people. My services are never for free. So Kishu, like I was saying, you can get it and go and sit somewhere, buy a $50 or something, just so that you don't miss out, right? On this. To be honest with you, this Kishu coin, I would really love you if you can get something. But this is not financial advice, though. But if Uber me up to $20, if you can buy $20 or something, it's fine. Chairboy, it's been a long time with me. I don't like the way you are doing this day, so Chairboy. Chairboy, welcome anyway. Welcome to the live. Now, guys, what other coin are you? Yeah, this is Kishuino. This is Kishuino. If you can buy some small thing, yeah. You can buy some small thing. Yeah. On Kishuino. Let me look at something here. Is it that Kishuino? Kishuino is a, please, you guys should be careful with the Kishuino coin because it's very volatile. Okay. That's why that's why I'm saying if you don't want to miss out, buy something small. Somebody is saying COAI, Olivia, Kaki, Bedam. Somebody is also saying Tell. I think Olivia is has gifted me, so I mean, I'll only be biased to the gifters. COAI, even though I don't want to check COAI, I have to check it by force. I have to check it by force. Let's check COAI, guys. Look at it in a monthly time frame. Very crazy, Let's go to the 24 hours. Guys, currently COI is down. It's down. It has been down. It has been down since. It has been making some bullish move here and there, then comes down again. Bullish move here and there, then comes down again. I believe COI can rise from the dead and go back to even $100. But as to when that happens, is what I can't tell you and is what I don't know. Yes, is what I can't tell you, is what I don't know. As to how, where, when, I don't know. But it's a coin that I don't like talking about it because A lot of people have backlashed, Prophet El Bernard about this coin. Meanwhile, people really made money even upon his call. And those people were some of them who lost money. It's just that they came in too late and they were buying when the price was very high. You know, so COI is a good coin. Now that the price is very low at 30 cents, you can jump in with some small money. This is not financial advice though, but with some small money, you can jump in and be waiting. Yeah, because when that coin starts rising, it will be doing crazy numbers. It will be like boom, $5, boom, $10, boom, $15, $20, $30 kind of move. Yeah, and if you are not able to buy as low as this price, then you don't have to buy again when it starts moving because it will move crazy. It will move crazy. Let's go to somebody saying I should check when. When is this saying? Top up. I check Man U. Man U man checking Man U. Charlie, my boss will top up says I should check Man U for him. If I don't check the way he will beat me. All right. Top up. Man U. Oh, I'm on crepe. It has to be Man U though. Our live will be ending soon. Don't worry, guys. Our live will be. Where's Man U? Okay, this is Man U. This is Man U. The volume is $1 million. Market cap is 5 million. Well, Man U is still legit. Like it's still solid to me in the structure. Man U still has a solid structure in my opinion. I feel like it has to do more, but it still has a solid structure. Yeah, it has to do more, but I still have a solid structure. Let me show you something. We love Man U to go as high as if it's moving, it will move. It will do like, let me see how many zeros. It should clear like 4 zeros or 3 zeros. On a normal. 4 zeros or 3 zeros, yeah. Guys, bring your questions. Elvis Ellen says, I'm thankful you have us is a seed you are sowing, and surely the harvest will blow your mind. God bless you to the next thing. Yeah, Charlie, you too. God bless you too much. God bless you too much. I know people who would want to get me a car, who would love to give me cars and all of that. And I'm expecting the car to come. They must come. Oh, yes. Because I have a lot of operation. You see, where I am and moving to Accra, let's ask, it's not just about giving the coins every time. Sometimes we have to have conversation. Where I am, and I move around a lot. And when I get into Accra, I pay almost about 1,000 cities. If I stay for like 2 days, I pay like about 1,000 cities Uber. And sometimes if the fare for the Uber is 50 cities, I end up paying the person more because of the way they are treating me. They are picking my bab, they are doing this for me and all of that. So I end up gifting them more. I thought of it wise. Why not get a car? People want to give me car back. I feel like, let me just get this one. Many cars doesn't spoil anything, you understand? So I went ahead to get this one. I'll be managing it from point A to point B, point A to point B, small. That I don't believe that's the car I want to get, but I just need to manage it around, So that's why I got it. It's not about pressure. So I just even posted only one picture of it. And me, you've not even seen me on the car or in the car. I think I have to show you me and my car very soon. Like people do it online. Or I should just stay low-key like I used to. God bless you for sharing your knowledge. You are a blessing. Thank you, Sharon. SLM is $2. This bull run will buy you a car. Yeah, Cheboy. Thank you very much. You see what Cheboy wrote? I know people are just too good. I love you guys. People are just too good. People care about me too much. I really appreciate. Let's continue. Let's continue why we are here. I know people want me to talk about solstice. Anyway, let me talk about it and finish with solstice. Mhm. Because I'll be doing injustice if some of my subscribers want me to do it and I'm not doing it. Somebody is saying point A to point B like Fibonacci. Mr. Water. Mr. Water there, oh yeah, He's a very good learner. He's very intelligent. All my students are intelligent. The top 10 guys are too much. Oh my goodness. Let's go to the 24 hours. Mr. Water, now you can testify why I say the top 10 guys are people who are going to, I'll make sure they make money by December. Even by October, November. Yeah. They'll make money because these things will make money. Don't worry. Mhm. When you look at solstice, you remember that I always speak about this. These price points, 0.05. I always talk about the 0.05 price point. This area. I always talk about this price point here, 0.05. And I fear it is coming there finally, like the prophet said. And it can even be below that. But don't panic. Don't panic. We are still in a good, buy zone. And you see, sometimes I want to take my time, but sometimes some people just bore me because it has to be done this way. Somebody came into comment section and started talking. And this prophet, he doesn't understand him with these prophecies on XLS. My brother, shut up and go and sleep somewhere. We don't even care about you. If you don't understand the prophecy and you think the prophecy is shady or whatsoever, we don't give a fuck about you. Go and sit down somewhere. Because if you know what you are doing and you follow the education that I'm giving, you won't even complain. But you have built yourself on prophecy to the prophecy near Yehudia. The prophecy belongs to SLS. It doesn't belong to you. If you are working, it takes 30 days for you to be paid. It takes 30 days for your salary to arrive. And that one, you'll be working and you'll be patiently wait. You wait for the 30 days to come. And then you go to commercial bank, you go to UBA and go and withdraw. Table is dead. Forget about that coin. Unless I see something good, I'll check it out. You wait. And when they give you that money, yes, sir, boss in the office. And you invest. Some people think these prophets don't just have anything doing and they come and prophesy. Yes, there are some like that, but please don't mix up the good nuts with the bad ones and just be speaking anyhow. And I'm not referring to my family. I'm referring to those few people. You people are my family. I love you guys so much. And I know you people are not the ones doing those things. But I know those people will come and see these videos. I have to say it. When SLS was pumping, you were enjoying. And nobody, shut up. You took the money, you were sleeping somewhere. Now there was another call. 0.05 is a trajectory. 0.05. That's what I'm looking at right now, or I'm expecting to see. But anything can happen for the market to go up. The market will take some time. I'm not even going to lie. The market can take some time. And from what I'm seeing, I'm not here to disappoint anybody, but from what I'm seeing, we have to wait a couple of days, like weeks or something like that, for XLS. But we are still in a buy zone. And I know a lot of people who have called me and they are even buying already. And so if you get to 0.05, a lot of people have told me already that when it comes to 0.05, they will buy more. And these are decisions that have been made by them. And I'll also buy more when it comes to 0.05 because I said it. And we are all losing money. You see, some people are losing money on their dashboard and they don't know why the money is going. The money is going because the price of SLS is going down. Your quantity will be stable. It will be there like that, but the price will be reducing. You understand me? And whilst you see, we have all invested. So why the price is reducing at your end? Me too, my money is reducing. It's not only you, your money is reducing. Even me, maybe I bought more than you. I know I can see 4 in my master class. I don't even call them students because they qualified way too much to become students, who have bought a lot of XLS, more than the people who are complaining. I mean big money, big, very big monies. A lot of people who I know who have helped them bought this. Those people, do you know the wonderful thing? Those people don't call me to ask me, oh, price neighbor from. They don't call me. Oh. No. Now I'm saying this. Somebody will say, oh, he has used his last money to buy it. That's why they are worried and they are giving pressure. Have I sent you to use your last money? Look into my eyes. I didn't send you to use your school fees. I didn't send you to use your last money. I didn't send you to use your savings. Because I always educate you that even though a prophet is speaking about a coin, don't go and steal money to invest. Don't go and borrow money to. I always educate you. Abundance Grace says buy good coins and wait. And no, that's all. Buy good coins, even though when they are going down, you are still comfortable in the going down. How many people do you see buy gold and have gold bars packed somewhere? And when the price of gold is coming down, they will come and be crying online. How many people have you seen doing that? Because they know they bought a good asset. I don't know whether you people understand this thing. They know they bought a good asset. So if SLS, in your opinion, after the prophecy is a good asset and you bought it, why are you crying if the price is coming down in the short term? Somebody is saying why do he doesn't get this? Why people invest in things they don't understand? That's the problem of the Ghanaian, the average Ghanaian. And when somebody is teaching them to, they don't want. They want somebody to scam them. Come and pay this big money. See the fees I charge for my programs, my courses. It's not even courses, mentorship. Small fees. But you will not pay. I know people, guys, let me educate you. We are here, you are family. I know people who have been scammed before they came to me. They have been scammed huge money, $5,000 and more before they came to me. And me, I'm charging only $140 for my masterclass. But you went somewhere because you were ignorant, you were chisel. Some of them just don't want to pay you to teach them. They will go and have to lose $10,000 first before they come to you to teach them by paying just $140. Let's buy the dip on XLS if you want to. If you can't afford it, leave it. If you've already bought some and you can't buy more, leave it. You still make money when the market starts moving up. If you have money to buy more and you can take that risk, buy it. It's simple. And buy it without having, even when you're buying it, don't have the prophet in mind. Don't have any prophecy in mind. Just buy it. You are buying an asset. If it goes to zero, it goes. If it moves to $1, it moves. Have that mindset. Forget about the prophet and the prophecy. So that you should not be so much engulfed and overwhelmed and in your thoughts about prophecy. No. The prophet has done his part. He has done well for everybody. Now it's up to you. My time is fast spent. SLS to 95 cents when the time comes. But currently, I want you to touch 0.05 and more of the Aquasi 4 will start buying more. Somebody says, how will I join the top 10? It comes with a fee though. Just WhatsApp the number 0245051982. WhatsApp the number and say, Nick, I want to join the top 10. Don't say hello, don't say good evening. Say, Nick, I want to join the top 10. I'll show you what to do. And those of you who want to, guys, I'll come back to SLS again, but I want to show you this. Those of you who want to enjoy my services, come to the Trader Nixon. Some people want to get, go to service face to face. If you want to see me face to face, teach you something face to face in your comfort, in the comfort of your home, I'll drive there. Now I have a car. I'll drive there and come. You just have to pay this. Whether you want forex, crypto, stocks, whether you want to invest in the business and you think I can help you face to face, book me here. Now, if you want to enroll in my courses and my one-on-one sessions online and all of that, it can be synthetic trading. A crypto masterclass is here, forex, everything is here. The masterclass is premium. It gives you access to one-on-one sessions. You understand me? Before we have the top 10 that is going on. And guys, if you can remember, I spoke so beautiful about gold. Gold is still going up. Since I spoke about gold going up, it has since been going up. And the other time I told you that I want the price to come down a bit and goes up. Even the push that I was expecting, it just did a little and boom, see what it's doing. All because I made a call, all because top 10 forex traders know their way. The trader, the guy I showed you, sharing his trade and on a demo. Look, these same gold buys. That's the money he made here. These same gold buys. But we started this top 10 forex thing few weeks ago. And you see, these guys know everything. Mr. Water is saying that somebody came to post something. I gave the answer about it. Mr. Water is saying that you can't joke with the trader Nixon. My own words. Yes, he's saying it again. I've not even seen him post it. He said, you don't joke with trader Nixon. I was just about saying that and he said it again. It's Water Zinano. That's the prefect, the course prefect or whatsoever for the group A, top 10 forex traders. And these guys are able to know these things. Something that we started not long ago. They are able to know it. They know it. Because the class is not bullshit. The class is about so much knowledge. Practical. That will change their life. The top 10. And the money they paid to me, ask them. We rented a place, the place that we have our class, decks, everything, AC, everything. Uber, I pick Uber. Now that I have car, I'll have to buy fuel and be driving. I've not made even one city. There's another group B who will be going again. I've not made even a penny. Some people, they make half payment. Their payment is not even in full. Some people. And I've not disturbed them about the rest of the money. All I want you to know is that you can make money through these things. This is gold. All I want you to know is you can make money through these things. And all I want you to know is that Nixon is not a scam. I make money by myself. And all I want you to know again is that you can know these things and it will change your life forever about investing. So the top 10 is very important. So if you want to join, say, WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is down there. It's pinned in the live chat. Go straight to the point. Trader Nick, I want to learn the top 10. What should I do? That's it. So it's not for free. I'll tell you what to do. And when you do that, we just kickstart that. So I'm giving 24 hours. Final 24 hours for the top 10. And then we'll close docs on that. People are making money on this right now. It's not even a joke. Let's go back to SLS and finish there. So SLS, let's see. Now that Bitcoin and the rest are pumping, maybe into the weekends, SLS will start pumping again. Maybe into the weekends, we can see the price at 0.10, 0.14 again. Maybe. I'm just saying, I'm not too solid on this. I'm just saying maybe. Right? I'm not too solid because we are still in a down market. And I'm eyeing the 0.05 area. Yeah, I'm eyeing there. So there was a White House crypto summit. I think we'll talk about that later on because my time is fast spent. I have to take the family out for a while. Please just WhatsApp me, Abundance Grace. WhatsApp the number, okay? I'll tell you what you need to know, okay? what we are discussing is not for everyone. People will start saying all sort of things. So that's why I say what's happening. Your boy says he makes money every day. He says he trade options. Even somebody who makes money every day is still in this life because we are a community and we are a family. You know, Cheboy, WhatsApp me because I want to join hands. Like, there's a way you can come live with somebody and you share thoughts. Next time, I think I want to do that with someone who is like-minded. Either top-up show, Cheboy, or somebody else who is like-minded, who has some experience. Even if you don't have experience, we'll come live together. Don't worry. We'll come live together. And I think last time I said we can go live on TikTok, but people said no because where they are watching from is limited. But on TikTok, you can add people and communicate with them in that regard. I think I would have loved that, but we'll be managing a YouTube for now. Guys, I really appreciate you joining. Philip says, Charlie, I commend you for your great service. God bless you, bro. Thank you. Cheboy says, I want a 10-minute call. How much? Cheboy, just WhatsApp me, Cheboy. Cheboy, WhatsApp me and tell me this is Cheboy. Okay? Don't worry. I'll give you time. We'll talk. It doesn't matter how much. Yeah, so tomorrow, Cheboy, please, when you WhatsApp me, let me know it's you. Then we'll talk. Okay? Guys, I really love you. I respect you. And thank you for your time. It hasn't been wasted because we dealt with value here. Okay? If you want to learn trading, just WhatsApp me. I love you guys. You guys can go and sleep now and have a beautiful evening, depending on where you are watching us from. Thank you guys. I'm out. I love you guys.